Demek mesela dostlar ve gitti. Şimdi ikinci bölümüne hoş geldiniz. İlk son yadımda şeyler. Biz maşını orlattık iki tane. Şunu satan adamımıza çanak geldi.
Franklin!
Hey, what's going down, home?
The market, my boy. Liquidity's a bitch. Get over here so I can give you the new repo list.
All right, dog. I'll be around when I get a chance.
Aha. Geliyor bulam var eski. Simon neredesin?
Hey, what's up, Simeon? My dear boy.
Hani,
So good to see you.
haberdeki.
So good. Hold me.
Like helt aşkı öğretmen gittik buraya.
Look, we've been working together for about a few months now, right? Which is why I am very honored to announce to you
Aha. Barda da
that
çıktı adamı.
are employee of the month. Huh? Anyway, congratulations.
Ay iş istiyor.
Wasn't easy picking a winner.
Yeah, me, Lamar, your nephew Sacha with the Twitch.
Bu karaç kel daytça.
Together.
Maşinleri, bidra maşinleri qavdib tatca. Naprimер, birinci misiyada geçirmeli alaq, iki maşini orladık, başka iki maşini tatacaq oluyordu. Getirdik maşini.
Hello, Lamar.
Naplam qarang dosti.
What's up, you know? Franklin here has been awarded Employee of the Month.
Aha.
Is he in the gang?
Ayın işçisi olan için sana motor verecek diyor
We
buram.
got work to do, employee of the month.
Fuck you and come on.
He's about a yes mouse ass nigga. Give a shit.
Yadında şeyler, GTA San Andreas oynayan adamlar bağırdı. İki grupa bağdım bilendir, iki bandı. Yaşıl, adı yadım açıyorum, yani yaşıl mavi ring. Sana şuların devam var, şu yaşıl ve dağıttan. Например, şularına yaşıl, kepkat yaşıl açıyor.
The bike should be in one of the lockups down here.
Ne motoru kademeli. Ne medat, ne
Sitting in front of the key.
geçerler.
Hey, what's up, homie? You alright?
Ne hemen arkadaşlar?
Yeah, you thought I was gonna hit your bitch ass, huh?
Organa mı? Yok, organa mı? Olacak böyle.
Man, ain't this about a bitch? Ain't no
Lan maşa.
motherfucking bike in here, man.
No shit, nigga.
Hola, amigos.
Hola, S.A.
So you're trying to creep up in here, man?
Yeah, you saw this motherfucker?
Oha!
Vamos! Fucking die here!
Man, stop being a
Al,
pussy
al,
nigga and
al.
grab
Давай. Şuna bak ya.
Just hold up, homie.
Hani kim mi bol? Öl.
All them niggas. Light them niggas up.
Özmü kenem var burada. Özmü kada var burada.
Breathing, homie?
Yeah, barely, homie.
Shit, we gotta get the fuck
Давай.
Let's just sit done.
Oho motor arkadaşlar.
All this bullshit.
Motor mu arkadaşlar? Hey. Minne bak.
You was there too. Correct me if I'm wrong, but you shot more of them than I did. Time to get that shit up. No credit, motherfucker.
You gotta
Oh,
watch
shit, he
out,
down.
fool.
Take the bike and meet me at the car wash.
Aha
right
motor
away.
malum ahir.
Be cool, my nigga.
Basan ne ama.
You fucking tell him, you fucking moron.
Yere gittim. No stene yer gittim o ne ama. Maşina otunca derler ve. Şuradan appa o ne Türkmen sanım o da. Açapştaydı bir maşina renkler o ne ama. Ha maşinamız renklemene geliyor ona. Oğluşturdu da maşina. Ha size de görmez için aşağı geçirdim mi daha diye kameranı. Ne maşina oluşturuldu. Maşin qovlaştırdı onu. Görüyorlar ne? Odan cevaplar maşini. Kardeş birinci serideki dayden bir patsan maşinacı kurtulur da birinciye de şu varamızdı. Birinciye de şu varamızdı. Ne şu maşini idnat geldi. Biri oyuna girip oğlum Aha ayna çıktı.
That's just because you have a massive gaper, bitch.
Dad! He said I had a massive... Jimmy called me a bitch!
Aha. Hop.
Tried to knife attack me? No one creeps on the J-Dog, my niggas.
Yine mole ara verdim.
I don't care if you're 12. I'll still rape you.
Yakaracak derler.
You're a real pro, Mrs. DeSanta. A real pro.
Yine mole ara.
You're a great student. Now just
Oy, oy,
loosen
oy.
up those hips.
O da Ferhat. Maşın alpayı eritversen molla yani. Başka gerek yok. Aha. Maşına vet
That's a
otuyor.
9mm
Bak bakayım.
semi-automatic pushed against your skull. Now look around. You just keep driving where you're going.
Başlığın arkasından bir yer çıktı.
repo job.
So this businessman, he look legit to you?
Look, man, this is just between him and your fucking son.
Don't worry. Me and Mr. Yetarian, we'll work this out. That the place?
Yeah, this the place, man.
Whoa. Drive into it. Right through the fucking window. And fast. Or I'll put 2 rounds in the back of your skull.
Bu ne?
Myself.
Man, you can't be for real.
I look like a fucking joke to you.
Man, fuck my life, man. Fuck it.
Aynadan içine girdi ya. Aynadan mağdurun içine
I
girdi
still
ya.
got this gun to your head.
Mesela de kardeşler ne ama. Davay.
Shit! No! Franklin! What the fuck are you doing? Mr. Samuel, it's not exactly how it looks.
I always trump big for a job well done. Now get out of here, kid.
You motherfucker!
Oh.
I won't be
Bu ne?
treated like this.
Ne ama çeşik. Ortasın geldi mi? İmeyen mi görüştaydı seninle? Bu ne? Давай, тянем урай. Все-таки. Не.
You recognize this car? Huh? Does it look like it's worth $5 grand a month to you?
You fucking racist!
I'll tell you something. This thing's gonna need some serious body work before it's worth $5 grand a month.
$5,000 ayda. Şu maşın bakazıken.
He agreed to financing. I have his signature.
Ne? Aha. Bu girdi oyuna.
You're such a fucking dictator! Why the fuck not? He is not staying the night. He's a bomb. I don't even know why you are.
Ay ayarlardan hemen. Ya şlampon, Cape'de böyle yerden al şampon. On çilimci aş, ne bir elinde viski. Kulakta nauşnik var. Ay Cape'de ne mi diyecek? O şey, öbürün oraya. Bu ne? Kara.
What do you want?
Man, I come by for that drink you offered, that's all.
I wasn't really serious about that.
What?
You're here, whatever. Sit. Yeah, I gotta
Короче,
rob
Берсон рез geçirecek.
Man, I
Bu
never
ne var
robbed
ait
you.
Berenton.
That was just a repossession.
you. Okay. I'll tell you what. Least I can do is buy you that beer. There's a little bar I like. It's not too far from here. Let's go.
All right, man, I'm following you.
Aha. Bir yere çıktıydı bu.
Hey, Jim. I'm going for a drink with...
Dad, shit! I'm in our boat going down the Western Highway. It's been stolen.
What? The yacht's been stolen?
I was trying to sell it. I know you didn't want it sold, but I need money, and they don't want to buy it. They just want to take it. I'm hiding in the head.
You're insane! All right, I'm coming. For my boat. Alrighty then. Change of
O bir
plans.
misteride
My
çiş var
darling
ha.
boy is in trouble.
Şun
Hey,
oğlu
I'll
eken ya.
help you out.
Oh,
Aha.
there. There it is.
Gel mesele de o.
That's my boat.
Your boat's in a fucking hurry, man.
Yeah, well, we'll
Çok da
catch
uç
him.
var ya. Oh.
This is
Hop anne. Haroş.
too close. Oh, crap.
Yo. Ne der o.
Ain't the hole. Come on, kid. Come on, kid.
Tamam. Hop yettim. Maşin bağdanan o. Bağır gücümle git var ya.
Now look for my son.
Hop yettim ana.
Dad? Wait, you're the guy from the dealership.
Ha.
Yeah, and it's a long story, bro. Jimmy!
Hop.
Kid, watch out for the boom. Fuck. Hold on.
Farsaja dönüştürdüm hadi la o.
Yay.
Oğlum yıkılıp var ya. O önemli değil.
Stop the car!
Dostuma değme.
If you fall to your death, I'm gonna fucking kill you.
You don't get out of me like
Düş aşağı.
Not to get
Hop,
near
hop.
my boat.
Hop.
I'm slipping.
Ya.
This is it.
Bu önemli var ya.
From a moving vehicle and they get crushed into oncoming traffic.
La bağır gücümle git var ya.
I can't do this anymore.
Kompüterim dalga.
This is what happens when you mess with my stuff.
Hop. Yok.
What the
Erkek.
fuck is wrong with you? That everyone?
Döktü bulamanı.
All right, time to get the boat back.
Now that doesn't sound good.
Maşinde öldü.
Hey, that's the engine, man. We ain't chasing shit in this thing.
Come on, stay with me. Stay with me.
Öyle ne ben araba tekene.
Fucking boat.
Hey, it's just a thing. At least you still got a son. It's okay, I can just climb over.
Look, man, I'm gonna get the ride fixed, man, and drop it back off at your house along with this.
Götürdüler.
dude. It's all good though, man. You gonna get your head right, all right?
All right, listen, thanks for today. I appreciate it. You stop back out to the house, we'll talk.
You see?
Show, man. Hey,
Maşin
sorry I
can
didn't
yer
get your
kalmadı
boat,
o.
man.
Yeah.
Come on, man, let's trick this whip, homie.
Ha ve Michael Can'ın oyunu geldik. O bağ var maşini.
Fuck! This
Oh.
has got to stop happening to me.
O kim o lan? Bağ var mı ya?
Hey, you! Stop it!
What's up, man?
Get out of my way.
Michael, calm down.
Ne var lan?
What's going on?
Nothing happened. It was a
She
misunderstanding.
fucked a prick in my bed.
You bullshitting.
It wasn't like that.
Şuşun
You
o.
win?
Fuck it, I'm in. Let's roll. Let's get this mother.
Just don't kill him!
Vaa. Hadi. Tenisten treniyor. Hop et durtular ya.
Yeah, keep your eye out.
Han gelgan oyun
That's his
kaptı
car,
ha.
right there.
Hadi bıçağın yiyeceksin spora batırıyorsa da var.
Oh, shit. Coach
Hold
doing
on.
all right for himself.
Bu ne?
Asshole! You ran off before we could settle our debt.
Yalan işte ora.
Michael, fine. You got the wrong idea, man. The freaking session.
Tursigan. Leopardı bu.
Working on more than just her backhand.
O tigerli var.
His backhand
Tursigan.
has come a long way, bro. You like it when someone fucks with your shit. Well, hey, wait! You got the wrong idea, pal.
Aroş kellet işler ama. Tamam oyunu
Here
kallaşım.
we go. Let's see what happens.
Dude, you are properly
Hadi
crazy.
ne koş böyle.
Come on, man. Do it to him.
Oo yıkıldı. Başlayı da vay. Tek hediyene.
Man, I think that shit's coming down, man.
Sayın.
Boom, give it some.
Da vay tek hed.
Man, get some force on that motherfucker.
Oo
Are you
haroş.
fucking serious, nigga?
Oyun yıktıgan mı?
Yeah! Fuck, come on.
Fuck, man, fuck.
Oh, we did it. Fuck his ass. All right. Let's go
Yankı
back.
yıkıdan oyunmaz.
Shit. You did good. I mean, I don't know if you hit
Leopard
anyone,
tırs
your
kıldı
game's
ki
all
derek
over
yani.
the place.
Başka bir genç erkek yani.
Ah, thank you. Are you sure I didn't hit?
Böyle işle. Enfermo.
Hey,
Gir lan
thanks for
oyunu.
the help out there today, kid. I had no idea it was gonna get that hot.
O geçir versen. Yine bir zadanie yaptı orada. Ve bu bölümden sonra Elias. Lokman like basın, подписаться edin ve edil bu videonun aşağına 5 like olsa indiki bölüm hem çıkar, 3. bölüm hem çıkar. Bitaversin.